Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the map with array of objects in REACTJS. How to use this array of objects to map and display the details on the browser in REACTJS. It's very common thing to display array of objects on the table, somewhere in the cards, in some kind of real-time scenarios are there. If you learn these basics, then you can handle any kind of scenarios in real-time application. So let's get start this REFCE, hit it, then take this Control C, Control X, use the H1 tag and paste it here, Alt Shift F, then it gets set right. Then first of all we should have a array of objects, so that for that we need to create one array of object list. So ARRO with array of object OBJ, which is equals to, use the array brackets, within that square curly brackets, and then we are going to have the values id1 comma, for example if you buy a car name, and car name maybe capital letters ABC comma, and car number 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 colon, it could be ABC 1 2 3, like that. One more car name will take Control C, Control V, Control V. 3 car names will use here in this array of objects. You just rename this number 2 and number 3, car number 3 ID number, and here ABC instead of that XYZ, and here car number becomes XYZ, and coming to this we can give the another name KLM, and here KLM 1 2 3 KLM, and you can change the numbers. So here 786 or 789, here you can give the values are 4 5 6. So array of objects are ready with us. Then we can map those here, and at the same time we need to check this while array of object is it null or not. Then check with the and symbol and follow this logic, and now we can map those values here like this, array of objects dot map, and we'll take the object inside OBJ. That means each object at a time it is going to handle, and at the same time each object contains some properties. As per the properties it is going to display. How we are going to display in the browser by using this REACTJS, just return the value here, TUR, and return values. How can we return a value? Use the div here, and within this div we are going to have the H1 tag or H2 tag or H3 tag. Just use this, and within this you are going to have what entire object. If you want display, just use that car name, car name colon, use the curly brackets, within this write down the obj dot car name, because this is array object dot map, means each time the map is iterating one object after another object. First object is this one. Within this object what we have, car name. Just forgot about this ID number, that I will tell you. Car name, car number we will take here, car name, and after that use that comma, car number NUMBER, car number then display that car number here. How can we display? If you want to get the car number, like this, object dot name, and if you want to get a car number, object dot car number, obj dot car number, then only we will get the value. So this object, it is a obj right now, and it is displaying the obj dot car name, obj dot number. Next iteration, it is in loop. Next iteration, it could be an object. Again, obj dot car name, that means obj, this obj dot car name in the second row, second object, obj dot car name, obj dot car number. And after the third iteration, it could be the object instantly, so that obj dot car name, obj dot car name. So likewise, every time each object it is going to display on the browser. Now once if you see this, you can get the idea. Just look here, car name, this entire object, one object, one iteration, second object, second iteration, third object, third iteration. First iteration, obj dot car name is a abc, obj dot car number is abc 1 2 3, and second iteration of map, obj dot car name is the xyz, obj dot car number is xyz 789, and third iteration of map, car number is obj dot car name is a klm, obj dot car number is klm 4/6. Here some child, some kind of unique value it is asking. That warning, how can we remove? Here already we have id number, so we can use that id number is like this. Just give that id number as a key value, key property here. Just here also we should follow obj dot id, then it will take that and it can remove the object warning, I mean key warnings. For sometimes you may forget to give the same values here. What will happen here? Just to check the error, then only sometimes you may forget to give the id numbers. So what is the warning here? Just look here, what it is saying, that encountered two children with the same key 1 and so on. That means unique value we should provide, but same values are we are providing. That's why it is saying that it's not unique value. So every time id should be unique id for each object for each iteration. That's why it should be not, it should be a unique number. Now we can eliminate that, we can get the without warnings the output on the browser. So in this way we can use that map with array of objects in a REACT.js. So this kind of mapping with the array of objects we can do it in the table and some other places also, some cards, somewhere something, some depends on real-time scenario. So I think friends, you understood this map with array of objects in the REACT.js. How could we do this one? So that's it friends, thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you give the subscription, then I'll get the very enthusiastic manner I can get the and implement so many videos for you. Thank you so much.